Today we're going to have a brief overview of akunaPOS, a point of sale system designed for restaurants. It works on a touch screen, and we're just going to look at some of the features that may make it a good solution for you in your restaurant. akunaPOS comes with a number of different users that you can log in as. They can be customized to whatever your needs are, and you can have finely grained permissions against each of the users. I've configured it today with just some very default users of administrator, manager, employee and guest, and we'll be using the administrator login today. Each user can have a password where they type in a number each time they log into the system, or you can use swipe cards to control people's access. So let's get started. So we log in as administrator and we see that here's a plan of the restaurant, of which there are a number of tables, and currently only table 8 is occupied. We can also see there are a number of floors up here. We've got a takeaway, which is a virtual floor and has a number of virtual tables, and the restaurant floor, which are real tables that people sit at. Let's say people walk into the restaurant, we seat them at table 4 and they order 2 fresh orange juices. We now see that table 4 is occupied. Say another 2 people walk into the restaurant and they order 2 cappuccinos. We seat them at table 5. So we've got 2 orange juices at table 4 and 2 cappuccinos at table 5. Let's say the people at table 5 look across and realise that they know the people at table 4 and want to move their bill across. So let's transfer their tab to table 4. Now we can see table 4 has 2 orange juices and 2 cappuccinos, and there's no one sitting at table 5 anymore. Okay, so the people at table 4 order some sandwiches, and then they decide that one of their party needs to leave and they want to pay their bill separately. So we do a split receipt. So this person had an orange juice and a sandwich. We click OK. Then takes us through the normal screen of prompting how do they pay. That say they give us £5. The change is calculated, and the remaining items are still on the screen and allocated against table 4. Let's have a look at the receipt that the system generated. You can see here the receipt has a receipt number, a date and time, and documents a table number. There was an orange juice and a sandwich on this account. There are 2 items. The VAT will amount £3.79 with the VAT separate, and a total on the bottom. We also see the breakdown of how they paid, what the change was, and who the cashier was. Okay, let's go back to the table, and let's say that one of the guests complains and says that the sandwich was not up to scratch, and the manager decides to give a manager's discount. This is a standard 10% discount that's been defined in the system. You can change it to anything that you wish it to be, and you can have as many discounts as you wish. So you see there we get an additional line item. It starts with an asterisk, and here it's calculated the 10% of the line item sandwich. If they would then want to pay this bill, they can pay it with a £10 note. The system calculates the change. Let's have a look at the receipt. You can see there are all the items. It's calculated the manager's discount with the item count and the change. So here we have an example of running a discount on a line item. You can also discount the entire bill if you like, but you can't discount line items and the entire bill. You have to choose one or the other. So these are just a few features of the akunaPOS system that I thought I'd show you today. Please check back again soon for more demonstrations around akunaPOS. Thanks for watching our akunaPOS demo today. You can find out more information on our website at www.akunagroup.com. That's AKUNAGROUP, or by calling us in the UK on 08444 843590. Thanks for watching.